Welcome back to Success with Steven. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove all personal information off of your credit report that is incorrect, that is old, that is outdated. We're going to make sure that you're going to have a 100% accurate report. When you remove old personal information, it greatly increases your chances of getting that derogatory mark removed. That means charge-offs. That means collections. We want to get all that stuff off. And one of the most important overlooked tactics that no one else talks about is removing personal information that doesn't belong on that report anymore. There is around 332 million Americans right now. 8 out of 10 of them have errors on their report. Their personal information is not accurate. So that's around 262 million people. That probably includes you. I'm going to show you right now how to remove those for free without writing letters, without calling, and we're going to do that online in preferably 24 hours. All right, so the first account we're going to be looking at is with Experian.com. So we're going to go to usa.experian.com. If you currently do not have an account, you can create an account for free. I have another video that talks about how to get your free credit score. I will link that somewhere here. You can watch that video and then go over that and create that free account. So I'm going to get started by logging in here. So once you're completely logged in, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom and then you'll want to click on Help Center. Once you click on Help Center, you'll have the quick action section. Here you can go to file a dispute and then you're going to click on Start a new dispute. All right, so now that we're here, we're going to go to personal information. You're going to click on this. And then from here, you can request what personal information you'd like to change. Now, I've done some recent disputes here, so I actually don't have any other personal information that I can change. But for example, if I want to click on like my date of birth, I can click on that. I can choose incorrect option, and then I can click next. From there, you can add another item and then submit the dispute. Now, I won't be able to show you this, but for addresses with Experian, sometimes there are some that are linked to an account. And if you have an address that's linked to an account, worst case, you'll need to create a, let's say, get a bill or get maybe like a gas bill, a light bill, your cable bill, your internet bill, and you'll need to show the new address. You'll just need to send that to Experian certified, or there's a link that you can actually click when you're going to change that address, and they can update that to that account. You can also get the account with Experian or get your statement, and you can update the address there and just send it through this same portal to Experian, and that way they'll remove that old address that they're saying is tied in with that account. Other than that, it's very, 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 very simple. You can go ahead and you can request that information here. Just click on the section that you want. Click on the option for address. It's not going to show here because I don't have any addresses to dispute. But if it were here, it would say, you could say, I've never lived there, or identity theft for the address, whatever the case may be. If it's not your address and you don't know it, or it's old or outdated, click on that option, get rid of it. You'll be able to hit next. You'll be able to submit the dispute and add another item. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that's very easy. And then we'll move on to the next credit bureau. Next website we're going to go to is TransUnion. You could either Google TransUnion or you can go to service.transunion.com. And just like Experian, you're going to have to create an account. Again, this is a free account that you can create. So I'm going to get logged in here, and then we'll go to that next step. Okay, now we're logged into the TransUnion portal. If you actually logged in and you receive like a screen that asks you to go to credit monitoring, consumer services, or true identity, you want to go to consumer services first, and then you want to log in through that portal. It didn't come up for me, probably because I logged in recently, but if it came up for you, just make sure to click consumer services. Then we're going to click on the dispute option here. Very, very simple, very easy. So it lets you know you can dispute name, you can dispute the address, you can dispute the phone number. We only want to dispute one of these three things online. Excuse me. Reason being, if you dispute some of this other information, it waives certain rights that you do have when you do it online. So we're not doing that. The only thing we're doing is name, address, or phone number. Now, again, I recently did a request, so it's telling me to check request status. But for you, you're going to click this same button and it's going to give you the option to file the dispute. Just like Experian, once you click on the option, you'll be able to just click address. You'll be able to click the reason why I've never lived here, identity theft, fraudulent, I don't know this address, whatever the option is. You click on that and then you continue with that dispute. You usually will be notified via email, the one that you use to set up this account, within 24 hours that that account is deleted. You usually don't have to upload any documents for TransUnion. Experian seems to be the only one that does that. So no worries here. Just log in, click that option, click this one at the bottom right here. And again, I know that mine's not showing it, but for you, since I already have one processing, you'll be able to click this option and then you'll be able to get that account, or I'm sorry, you'll be able to get that address, that phone number, or maybe wrong name removed from your TransUnion credit report. Again, takes about 24 hours to do so. All right. The last website that we're going to be looking at is, of course, Equifax. You can go to my.equifax.com or you can Google it, just like the other two. If you don't have an account, you just register, you sign up for the account, and then we're going to log in. So I'm going to log in now, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, once you log in, scroll to the bottom, you'll see the disputes option. From there, you can click start or check a dispute. So we're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on file. Scroll down to the bottom in case you have some old ones there, but file a dispute. So we're going to click that option. I authorize Equifax to notify me via email of the results. We're going to click continue. All right, taking a while for my page to load here, but now we can click on personal information. So once that tab loads, click on personal information here. And still taking a while for mine to load. There we go. So let's say that you have wrong information here. Here's address information. You'll want to click on dispute this. And you can click again these options. I've never lived at this address. This address belongs to another person with a similar name. I believe I'm a victim of identity theft. Then you would click continue. Once you click continue, you would just submit that on that next screen. And once you did that, you will get an update on the status of this within the next 24 hours. Again, usually it takes 1 day for this to be removed. Once that happens, then you can go and start the process of disputing any other information that you want to get removed off of your credit report. Chances are you'll get much better, faster results when you do this before starting the dispute process. Other than that, that'll be it. Very quick video. I hope that this was helpful to you guys. Please like, subscribe. If you know someone who needs this information, please share it with people. Thank you. You have a great day.